If you're into permaculture, you definitely know the feeling. You've got a simple question, you hop online for a quick answer, and bam, hours are just gone. So we're going to look at a tool that's designed to give you solid permaculture answers without letting you fall down that rabbit hole ever again.
It's a super common frustration, right? You're just trying to figure out, say, the best way to build a compost pile, and suddenly you are staring at a tidal wave of articles, forum posts, and videos, all saying slightly different things. It's enough to make you just stop. You get completely stuck in analysis paralysis.
And yeah, that's really the heart of the problem, isn't it? A lot of the info out there is either contradictory or just way too much. Before you know it, you've got 20 browser tabs open and you are no closer to actually getting your hands dirty in the garden. This whole experience is so universal, it really deserves a name. Let's call it the permaculture rabbit hole. It's that endless cycle of searching and clicking and reading that promises to give you clarity, but, usually just leaves you more confused. But what if there was another way? Just imagine for a second. What if you had a tool that could cut through all of that noise and just point you directly to a trusted, reliable answer for the exact thing you need? Well, that is precisely the goal of the tool we're digging into today. So let's meet the solution head on, the Permaculture Librarian. Okay, so think of this less like a giant sprawling search engine that scours the entire internet. It's more like having your own personal expert librarian. It's built to search within one specific, curated ecosystem of content, which means you get relevant, high-quality results every single time. So that sounds pretty good in theory, right? But how does it actually work? Well, it all comes down to a couple of really smart principles that are designed to build trust and get you actionable information and get it to you fast. The first big idea is that it's truth locked. What that means is the tool isn't just scanning the entire web. No, it's only searching inside its own trusted database of articles and posts. This is so important because it ensures that the information you get is consistent, vetted, and reliable. And the second principle is that it's links first. Now, this is all about transparency. The tool gives you an answer, sure, but right up top, it gives you the direct links to the original source articles. This puts the power back in your hands so you can always dig deeper and check the source for yourself. Now, you might be thinking, this is cool, but I'm so new, I don't even know what to ask. No problem. The librarian has you covered with a whole section of core pages. These are just fantastic starting points that cover all the basics, from principles and zones to a massive glossary with over 200 terms. All right, let's get into what is maybe the single most important technique for getting amazing results from this tool. It's a simple little mindset shift, and it's called Ask Like a Builder. This is such a great question to ask yourself. Think about it. A browser is just kind of looking around, right? They're typing in vague one-word searches. But a builder has a specific problem they are trying to solve right now. And you can see the difference so clearly here, it's like night and day. A browser just types in compost. But a builder asks, compost smells bad, fix. See that shift? The builder questions are all about action. Sheet mulch steps, guild for apple tree, natural slug control. You're looking for a solution you can use today. So the big takeaway here is this. To get the best answers, you've got to ask the best questions. Be specific. Describe the actual problem you're seeing in your garden. Frame your search like you're looking for a set of instructions to fix something real. So how do we turn this idea into something you can do like right now? Because the whole goal isn't just to collect information, right? It's to turn that information into action. And look, it really is this simple. Just 3 steps. First, ask that specific builder question we were just talking about. Second, click that top source link it gives you. And third, this is the most important part, do one small thing today. This is all about building momentum. Don't try to transform your whole yard in a weekend. Just take the answer you found and apply it in one small way. Mulch one garden bed. Start that one compost pile. Map out just one of your permaculture zones. That little win makes the next step so much easier. So let's end with a challenge. Stop thinking about the 100 things you could do and just focus on the one real problem you're facing right now. Take that builder question to the librarian, because the real question isn't what should I learn next? It's this: what's the first problem you're going to solve?